The Honeywell Ceiling Mount Commercial Media Air Cleaner was designed to overcome the increase in airflow resistance normally caused by filter loading. This media air cleaner comes with a 95% efficient dispersed oil particulate filter, providing 1,125 cubic feet per minute of airflow on high, 825 on medium, and 450 on low. When equipped with the CPZ module, this ceiling media air cleaner can remove up to 95% of airborne particles such as gas, odor, and volatile organic compounds from the air. A 3-speed remote wall switch is included, and the white color cover matches typical fixtures, blending right into the surroundings. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.